Lang. Mother, where are we?
We are in Claveria View Deck.
View
It's a
Deck.
very beautiful place.
Yes.
This used to be the place of the inhabitants, the Manubo of Cagayan de Oro.
So
Misamis
there are
Oriental.
manubos in Cagayan de
There
Oro?
are still natives here, the indigenous people. But the place is so developed and well taken care of by investors. And it has now become a tourism area, a resort. And it is so beautiful.
So what's the difference between the manubo here in Cagayan and the manubo in Agusan del Sur or Agusan del Norte?
And I think it's a matter of governance. The leaders of Misamis Oriental are people oriented and they think about the natives, the interests of the natives. But in Agusan del Sur, the natives are being maneuvered by politicians, scammed. And the trees there are cut, the gold, the minerals are being scammed by the government, by the people and governments. Here, I think the governance is quite good because it takes consideration of the people. And the place is not is still there. There are more. It's still green. In Agusan del Sur, in Agusan del Norte, it's all brown and no more plants. But here you can see all the beautiful plants, and I think that's the main difference. People here are taking care of the environment. I thank you.